I made this using plastic sheets that you would use as the folders and binders, and then lots of hot glue. And then I painted on some hollow nail paint. Hello world! Originally I had worked on casting a crystal, and it was my first time using any sort of casting, so I was really excited and tried to follow all the rules. But it didn't go so hot. This was the result. Yeah, maybe not so good. It's so bad that even though it's been a couple weeks, it's still sticky. So that means I didn't stir it right. And you can see, oh gosh, the tackiness just from that. I ended up using some supplies that you could get at a local craft store. The main ingredient was glue. The second ingredient, which is the most visible one, was a little folder, like a folder that you use in a binder. This one I used half of a folder. That's why it's just as is. And then I used the glue, which was hot glue, and transformed it into this guy. And it's fun. I shoved in some cellophane, this shiny stuff, and I'm shoving that up through it because what it's going to do is help diffuse the LEDs. So I have some LEDs wired right here. I'm gonna take these and then I'll shove them up in here, and voila, happy glowy fun time. And then I'm going to be moving the LED up into the center and into the middle and into the bottom, so it's going to be out and about better. But it does look pretty cool. I think it adds to the crystalline effect with the hot glue on the inside. Ooh, ah. Rhetorical. So for this guy, I have the detachable part here that the crystal is going to go on top of, and the battery pack is going to be resting right here. That way I'll be able to change the batteries when I take this part off. From that, the wire is going to go down, and I'll have a little switch right here to control the lights. And we have a couple different sizes of lights. You're going to take this tool and this tool and mash them together. It's Beautiful. Battery pack, switch, LEDs. Positive and negative wires.
Make it easy. Turn a little bit towards the umbrella.
Now I have to do perspective tricks. Oh, now I can't see you yet, so.